Welcomes you to our channel. Today we are going to solve some MCQs on the chapter American War of Independence for Standard 9th. So let us begin. Question number 1. The period from 1750 to 1850 in Western history is described as the age of dash. A. Exploration, B. Colonization, C. Revolution. And the correct answer is C. Revolution. Question number 2. The administration of the colony was headed by a dash. A. Prime Minister, B. Governor, C. President. And the correct option is B. Governor. Now let us read the question. Third, the salary of the governor was decided by dash. A. Legislative Assembly, B. President, C. Administration. And the correct option is A. Legislative Assembly. Question number 4. Dash celebrated Volume 2 Treaties of Government served as Bible for American Declaration of Independence. And the options are A. John Locke, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. Thomas Paine. And the correct option is A. John Locke. Question number 5. Dash in his book Common Sense urged his fellow men to fight for total independence from Britain. And the options are A. John Locke, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. Thomas Paine. The correct option is C. Thomas Paine. Question number 6. According to Dash Act, certain goods and commodities were required to be sold only to British merchants. Options are A. Sugar, B. Navigation, C. Stamp. And the correct option is B. Navigation Act. Now let's move on to question number 7. In the year dash, the British Parliament enacted the Sugar Act. A. 1764, B. 1864, C. 1850. So the British Parliament enacted the Sugar Act in answer is A. 1764. Question number 8. Duty was levied on sugar imported into the colonies from dash. A. North America, B. France, C. West Indies. And answer is C. West Indies. Question number 9. In the year dash, the British Parliament enacted the Stamp Act. A. 1763, option B. 1765, C. 1764. And the correct option is B. 1765. Question number 10. The slogan "No taxation without representation" was raised by colonists against the mother country over dash. A. Representation, B. Expenditure, C. Taxation. So the correct option is C. Taxation. Question number 11. The spark which set the American Revolution in motion was Boston Dash Party. Options are A. Coffee, B. Tea, C. Milk. And the correct option is Tea Party. Question number 12. In the year dash, British Parliament passed the Tea Act. Options are A. 1775, B. 1773, C. 1774. And the correct option is 1773. Year British Parliament passed the Tea Act. Question number 13. The first Continental Congress took place in dash on 5th September 1774. Options are A. Philadelphia, B. Genova, C. Venice. And the correct option is A. Philadelphia. Question number 14. The representatives of dash colonies attended the Continental Congress. Options are A. 14, B. 16, C. 12. And the correct option is 12. The representatives of 12 colonies attended the Continental Congress. 15. The Second Continental Congress met on 10th May 1775 in Philadelphia. Dash was elected as the president. A. John Hancock, B. George Washington, C. King George III. So the correct option is A. John Hancock was elected as the president. Question number 16. Among all the battles, the Battle of Dash in 1777 was a turning point in the conflict. Options are A. Yorktown, B. Saratoga, C. Princeton. And the correct option is B. Saratoga. Question number 17. The dash and dash also played a very important role in crushing the British army. Options are A. British and Dutch, B. Spaniards and Dutch, C. West Indies and Dutch. And the correct option is B. Spaniards and Dutch. Question number 18. In the Battle of Yorktown, George Washington accepted the complete surrender of dash. A. Lord Cornwallis, B. John Hancock, C. King George III. And the correct option is A. Lord Cornwallis. Question number 19. The war ended with the Treaty of Dash of 1783. A. French. B. America. C. Paris. And the correct option is C. Paris. Treaty of Paris of 1783. Question number 20. Dash was elected the first president of the USA. A. George Washington. B. King George III. C. John Hancock. The correct option is A. George Washington was elected the first president of the USA. Thank you. Do subscribe and share our channel for more such videos.